Let's take a look at the Animation Creator demo built with the Hoops web platform. The live app and code can be found on the TechSoft 3D GitHub page. This demo was built to show how the Hoops web platform can be used to create animated work instruction using the Animation API. Animations can be used to demonstrate how assemblies fit together, better show complex parts within a single view, demonstrate how an object changes over time, and more. In this demo, we have added additional UI elements to display and edit an animation timeline created with the API. You can remove keyframes, change the duration of the animation, and also change the distance and angle that the node will move or rotate to. Using the API, different actions can also be added to your animation timeline, including camera movement, node translation, node rotation, and node visibility. This demo comes with a pre-built animation, but you can also build an animation using your own models. The full animation API documentation can be found online and contains all of the information needed to get started and animate other things like markups. If you would like to look at the source code for the Animation Creator or would like to access a live version of this demo, please visit the Animation Creator GitHub project. Additionally, if you're ready to get started building your own application, be sure to sign up for a free evaluation of the Hoops web platform at techsoft3d.com.